In this video, we'll cover how to add or display stationing and annotations to an alignment. First, let's navigate to the annotations commands. From either the survey or the Open Roads modeling workflows, navigate to the Drawing Production tab. We'll be looking at the annotations group. There are two methods to annotate elements. The annotate element will annotate the selected element or elements, and the annotate model will annotate every element in the model. Both of these will only annotate elements that have a feature definition assigned to it and which an annotation definition is also defined. The drop-down menu for each of these also includes a remove element annotations command. So let's take a look at what I have in this file. There are 4 alignments. One, just for an example, does not have a feature definition assigned to it. So I first want to start off by annotating the elements individually. I can select one or multiple alignments to accomplish this. So I'm going to select these top 3 that I have, and you'll notice they highlight, and then reset to complete. Notice that only 2 of the 3 alignments have any stationing or annotation applied to it. This bottom alignment does not have any stationing applied to it because there's no feature definition applied to the element. Next, I'm just going to demonstrate how to remove the annotations from these elements that I just annotated. So I'll just select Remove Annotations and select the alignment or alignments that I wish to remove, and then reset to complete. Next, we'll go ahead and apply annotation to all the elements in this file or in this model. So I'm going to use the model annotation command, and when I select that, it's going to prompt me, do I want to apply this to all the drawing models in my file? In this case, I only have one drawing model in this file, so I'm just going to leave that at no. And zoom out a second, accept that. Now all 3 of the alignments which have feature definitions assigned to them are annotated with stationing and curve data. I can also remove the annotations from all the elements in the model with the remove model annotations. Again, it's going to ask me for, do I want to apply this to all the drawing models? And again, I'm just going to keep this at no, accept it, and all the element annotations for the entire model have been removed. Now what I want to do is re-annotate my model, and I'm going to zoom in to the loop ramp. Note that in the ODOT workflow, different annotations are plotted during this function. You'll need to select the proper spacing for the project using the level display dialog. The level name indicates the spacing, 100, 500, 1,000 feet between station labels. This differs from previous GeoPack standards where the level name indicated the scale of the text. In Open Roads Designer, the scale is controlled by the drawing scale. This is also on the Drawing Production tab in the Drawing Scales group. And quickly, I'll just change from 50 scale to 10 scale, and you'll see that the text gets smaller. And then I'll change it back to 50 scale, and we'll see the text increase again. I'm also going to turn off all of the annotation levels and just leave the alignment. So when I turn on the 100 stations, you'll see that the station is labeled every 100 feet, and if I switch that to 500, you'll see now a station is labeled every 500 feet, but you still have a tick every 100 feet. And looking at the 1000 stations, you'll see that a tick and station is only shown every 1,000 feet.